In this video, I will show you how to add Sam's Club to Fetch. So let's jump straight into it. Now, in order to do this, as you can see, I'm currently on the Fetch website, but to go ahead and actually snap and process receipts, you do actually need to use the app. So if I come across this article, and as you can see, to actually add Sam's Club's receipts, all you need to do is open up the app. And once you've opened up the app, if you look at the very bottom of the app, you've actually got a camera icon. So all you need to do is press onto the camera icon, and you can use this to actually take a photo of your receipt. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and submit it. But you want to make sure, of course, that the receipt itself is readable. So make sure when you do this that you're in a well-lit area. And make sure you do have the full receipt in view, as you can see in this quick video guide here on the Fetch website. So that's how to go ahead and add Sam's Club to Fetch. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.